I'm Eddie Field with the Field Guide to DIY product update. On the left, you can see JB Weld Original Cold Steel, the very first video we ever did. The original cold steel holding quite strong. However, on the right, we did just 3 weeks ago JB Weld Steelstik. And unfortunately, it didn't hold. Under the normal wear, the other original cold steel held firm. So, I'm going to be grinding off the steel stick and replacing it with JB Weld Original Cold Steel. A squirt of steel and an equal amount of hardener. Then with an old room key or credit card, you mix it up till the black is gray and the white is gray. Apply a dab right there, blob right there. Now we're going to let this cure for 24 hours, come back and reassemble. It'll be good as new. So the JB Weld Original Cold Steel has set up, and based on this experience, I'm more inclined to recommend JB Weld Cold Steel as opposed to JB Weld Steelstik. I'll keep you posted. For more JB Weld videos, click the image on your screen now.